Hi guys, it's Leah, welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is very well and enjoying this beautiful sunshine. It's about time. So today we are doing an unboxing of our Stitch Fix. For those of you that do not know, Stitch Fix is a monthly subscription. You would normally get 5 items of clothing in your box. If you want to receive things like hats and handbags and shoes, then you leave that on your profile. I've removed that. I don't want to receive any of the accessories. You pay £10, that's a styling fee. You are given a personal shopper who will find garments for you based on your profile. I can't say that I've had best luck in the world with Stitch Fix so far, but I'm going to persevere. One day I will get 5 out of 5. If I'm lucky to get 5 out of 5, you do get a discount of, I think, 20%. If you use my link that I will leave somewhere, you will get £15 off your first order and I get £15 off mine. So, shall we get unboxing and see what delights I've got this time? Okay, so in the box, it's like this. It also tells you in one of the box flaps what to do, where to do it and how to do it. So it's all explained there. You get a return envelope that's free of charge and you get some paperwork, normally styling cards, and a note from your stylist plus your invoice. And then inside you get a bundle of goodies. So I did ask for some colour. Oh, I'm not sure about these. Let's have a look and see what I've got this time. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of the paper because it's hella noisy. So the first item I can see is a pretty little top. This is quite cute. Yeah, I like the embroidery on this. Is it my style? Could I see myself wearing this? I think it's one of these that I'll need to try on and see. Although white is not like my favourite colour, particularly because I have a little person. So I'd be scared to wear it. But nonetheless, I will try it on and see what it's like. The second item we have is a top. Is this leopard print? Let's have a look, is it? Animal printed jersey tee. I wouldn't necessarily say this was a t-shirt because it's that, I don't know, it's like silky stuff. I forget what you call it. And it is lined at the front. Again, not overexcited by this, but we'll try it on and see what it's like. Okay, next piece we have is snake print. Sleeves are quite flary. Yeah. Oh, I don't know whether oh my god, I must sound so fussy. I don't know. I guess this is another one that I'm going to have to try on to see. So far, I can't say that I'm like wowed out by any of this. Right, what's this? Oh God, this is like an all-in-one. Now, I did write on my profile that I didn't want any culottes because I know they're in fashion, and I specifically said that I didn't want like short flary trousers. Okay, it's got the bit spaghetti straps with a V-neck, no sleeves. Okay, I'm not really feeling that either. Last item looks like a white denim jacket, which I really do not need any more jackets. It's all very nice, but it's exactly the same as the black one that I got last time, but in white. So, I don't know. I'm just getting really disappointed with Stitch Fix. They're just not floating my boat, so to speak. Okay, well, I'm going to try this lot on. and see where we are with it. You know, I've got, again, 3 tops. In my profile last time, she sent out a cardigan and I said, look, can I have like a pair of trousers and a skirt so that I can actually make 2 outfits from 5 pieces? And like, you know, I'm not listening. All right, I will still try this lot on, and I will speak to you very shortly and show you the try on part. See you in a minute. Bye. Hi guys, so here we are with the first little top. So I love the print, the snake print. I like this colour print as well, obviously being grey and black. I like the sleeves on this. It fits quite well. I think it is quite flattering. I can't make up my mind, do I like this or not? Now down the side you can see the tiny little buttons here. They are workable. They've also put a little stitch here, which is a good idea because this is a wrap top. It's comfortable to wear. I do like it, I think. You guys let me know what you think. I don't know, I'm a bit confused on this one. Right, bear with me and I will sling another top on. Hi guys, so we're back with this second little top here, more animal print. I don't like these sleeves, I don't like the way they stick up in the air here, a little bit too short, they're not very flattering on me. And I can't explain this, but it feels weird here. I don't know if it's like pulling on me or something. It just feels like really weird. I mean, the size is okay. It actually does fit. I've decided to tuck this in. I did try to do a front tuck, but it didn't look right at all. And this is what it looks like pulled out, which is okay too. I think I prefer it tucked in though. So not much more I can say about this. It's comfortable. It fits okay. It's lined at the front but not at the back. So there we are, and the little top. I'll be back in a minute with the third top. Hi guys, so what do you think of this third top? I've got to tell you, I really do not like this at all. It's pretty to look at, but to put it on, this actually reminds me of an old-fashioned night dress. It's just shapeless, it's very stiff. I don't like it. I like this kind of detail in here, but as for the rest, I don't like it. There's nothing about this that screams by me. Anyway, I'll be back with the next outfit. See you in a minute. Hi guys, so we're back with the final 2 pieces. So we've got the white denim jacket as discussed. Quite like it, it's okay. I have no need for this in my wardrobe. This would not last 5 seconds around Kai, who is 4 and is still very dirty at times, and this would be in the washing machine more than it would actually be on me. So although it's nice, this is a definite no. Size is good, if not oversized. Just white, it's just not practical. Does it have pockets? Yes, workable pockets that are real. I do like the silver hardware buttons. Pretty nice, makes the white stand out even more. So yes, I do like it, just not practical for my lifestyle. And then we have these clots, jumpsuits. I don't like this. I don't like the way this sits. This bit here is just not sitting right. I don't know whether it needs to actually come up the way or down the way. Either way, I'm actually not feeling this whatsoever. I don't like it. I don't feel like it's flattering. Oh, what can I say? There's just nothing positive that I feel like I could say. And to get in and out of this, there's a zip from top to bottom. So literally, if you've got a jacket on or whatever, you have to strip off to have a pee. So this is definitely not one for me, unfortunately, this time. Right, I'm going to take this off and then Hi guys, so welcome back to the final part of my video. This is the part where we go through invoice and paperwork and my final thoughts. So let's have a look. So the first piece of paperwork you get are these styling cards. You also get a note from your stylist. My stylist this time was called Verity. And then you get or invoice. So let's have a look and see the prices. So we'll start with the Monsoon white denim jacket, size 16, £49. Which is standard, I guess. Then we had Warehouse Snake button front shirt, size 16, that was £35. That one. Then we had Warehouse Cami jumpsuit, which was size 16, £39. Then we had the Vero Monda crochet detail blouse, that's a large, and that's £32. And last of all, we had the Oasis animal print jersey tee, size 16, £29. So that was a total of £184. You get a 20% discount, which would be £36.80. The subtotal would then be £147.20 minus your styling fee if you keep anything, plus I had a credit left over of £6, which takes the whole box down to £131.20. So I'm actually keeping none of this. I don't love any of it. It's okay, some of it I don't like. I didn't like the jumpsuit, didn't like the crutch area on the jumpsuit, that was like weird. Didn't like the white one with this at all, it looked like a nightie. I mean, you know, how many times can you send something like this out to me? This was okay, but not enough to buy it. And I don't need any more denim jackets. So this box is an absolute wah. Don't like it, not buying it. So if you want to see any more from yours truly and you like these kind of videos, make sure you hit that one or that one. And if you want to see, if you want to subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit that one. Until later, when I do my next video, take care of yourselves. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye for now.